Hey, what's up, my friends? Welcome back. This week we have a really cool Icon New School Bronco with some hidden surprises to discuss. It is a 1971. It is unit number 110, and it's back to the old ever popular Stormtrooper black and white situation. So we did one of our secret whites. All the New School trim is blacked out, including the front grille assembly, the side badges, the mirrors, the handles, the antenna, the gas cap, the whole kit and caboodle. This truck is feeling really good, and I gotta admit something, dear friends. I'm gonna eat my words. You've heard me bitch and moan about why I run the old school 4-speed overdrive Ford AOD tranny. To hell with these young whippersnapper 10 multi-speed trannies. They're just because OEMs are lazy on developing engines that are more fuel efficient. That might be true, but we prototyped 3 different alternate transmissions to figure out what we like. I admit, hands down, the winner is the Raptor 10-speed. It is amazing. Not only is the truck faster and the shifts are much smoother and quicker, but it's quieter. Which is something I would have never anticipated, but it makes sense if you think about it. The idea behind these 10-speed trannies is it keeps the engine in a very narrow RPM window. So you're boom, 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 all within a pretty limited RPM range. So it's really not revving up that much unless you totally nail it and dig in the spurs, in which case it is gone. But it's more controlled speed because the ratios between the gears are so much less. They're so much closer to one another. So I am wrong. I was slow to transition. I guess that makes me an old white guy. I'm trying not to be that. So here forward, we are running this after a lot of research and a lot of due diligence. It changed my mind. Phenomenal tranny. Fortunately, it still hooks up to the Atlas II twin stick shift on the fly part-time 4-wheel drive 2-speed transfer case. And we're running the Coyote 5.0. That's another thing with the subtle increase each generation of the Coyotes. More horse, more horse, more horse. And we were starting to have to update the AODs with hardened shafts and special thises and fancy that's to make sure we're good with that performance versus the Raptor one. It's good to go. Who cares? Party on. No upgrades needed. Dead nuts factory. Even the ECU programming from the Ford Crate Coyote directly compliant with this tranny. So we're really excited about it. Sport mode. That's a fun option too. So you'll notice on the column, instead of the full Prindle, park, reverse, neutral, drive, low, 2, 1, now it's just park, reverse, neutral, D for drive, and S for sport. And S for sport holds the gears a little bit longer and higher up in the range, a little snappier and quicker on the shifts, as well as snappier and quicker on the downshifts. So we'll show you some footage of that. You can hear it. You can totally tell the difference. Of course, we're running the Curry axles, a specialty built for Icon, 100% new content. So you've got a high pinion Dana 60 in the rear, a high pinion 44 in the front with fine spline axles. This truck was wise to select the ARB front and rear locking differentials option, and of course the ever so mandatory and exceptional Icon sport brakes by our friends at Brembo. Those 6-piston front calipers, 4-piston rear with standalone mechanical parking brake are Hydro Boost assisted for pretty much the ultimate stopping power, really much better than engine vacuum, and you still get tons of great pedal feedback. For the suspension, we're running our coilover suspension, of course, all the way around, no leaf springs whatsoever. Fox Racing 2.5-inch body, 12-inch travel, nitrogen charge with remote canisters that are tunable. So that means this is our sport suspension option, which also comes with the tunable front and rear sway bars. Tried something different on the tires this time too. As y'all know, I love me my BF Goodrich TAs, but this client had a specific request, so we decided to see how they feel. And I gotta tell you, I might convert, really like them. So these are Toyo tires, specifically the Open Country All-Terrain. They're a 285/65/18. They're mounted upon the Icon forged black new school wheels, and really nice and quiet tire, really nice on-road feel and contact. They're nice and sticky. I haven't taken them off-road yet, but I will be doing that with y'all today, so we'll see how that goes. Furthering on the black and white Stormtrooper theme, we have laminate gray tinted windows. But as you continue on to the inside, you will notice, oh, lots of black, but exciting and different textures abound. So this beautiful leather from our friends at Moore and Giles, kind of like a nubuck black finish. Then we did a diamond perforation pattern on the inserts in the front and rear seats. We left the door and side cargo panel inserts in the non-perforated leather. We did a French seam stitch on this truck. We are now pretty much always going to be doing these pretty nifty Icon little machined bits of jewelry in the seat backs when we do our custom interiors. And it's just a nice little bit of pop. This truck, we also leather wrapped the new school steering wheel as well as the factory dash. As always, we leather wrap and hand stitch the rubber door handles. This truck's also equipped with the power windows, once for down and once for up. And then if you double click from the driver's side, all windows go down, double up, all windows go up. That is such like a silly little thing, but man, does it make a difference. It's so convenient. Of course, we're running the Icon New School visors that just rock the house. Tons of adjustability, really nice product. We're even starting to run those on most of the old schools these days. Headliner, we did a black Alcantara on this truck. We did volcanic black for the roll bar, all the usual new school dash trim, all black as well. We didn't black out the pedals. We left those natural aluminum. We did the Hargarten square weave hemmed in the Moore and Giles leather. If you get the truck super dirty off-road, you can simply remove these, hose it out, and party on. They're all form-fitting with these geometric patterns with 3M Velcro that hold them all nice together. This truck is benefiting from the Gen 5 vintage air, so much higher output than the Gen 4 that frankly was already plenty, but I'll take it. And it's now a brushless motor. This client also did the 2-passenger removable tuck and tumble bench seat in the rear. And the side panels, all that interior trim, the rest of everything's pretty much straightforward new school. As you can see, this truck is equipped with both the fully removable hardtop and doors as well as the bikini top. So nice hotter than hell day, I took it out and shot it, as you see here, with just the bikini top on. Had a little bit of fun. And then today for the full video, we shot it with the hardtop for you. So there you go, that's it. I hope you like 110 as much as we do. Please ask your questions. I try to answer them all. Please subscribe, send it to a friend, all those things that help us. We know not everyone is an Icon customer, but when our friends and family spread the word, it brings us more customers, which of course everyone needs. So be good to yourself, be good to the planet, be kind to others, and we'll see you with the next build here soon.